you step out, get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. Baby.
Welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Nyla, and for those returning, thank you for being a real one. We are back with another weekly grocery haul. We went grocery shopping a little bit earlier this time. We usually do it on Saturdays, so that way Sunday we don't have to go out or do anything. We can just prep. But we already had to go out today, so it's just like, why not just get it out, get it over with. So I'm gonna be showing y'all that in a minute, as you guys can see a little bit in the back. And the budget this week at Aldi's was actually $120. And I'm gonna show y'all first. Y'all can tell me what y'all think we spent, if we went over, if we didn't make it, or whatever it is. Some string cheese, y'all, because I want to make homemade mozzarella sticks. I love mozzarella sticks, and I have to make it myself. So we got 2 of these. We picked up this shredded chicken, only one this time. Sweet Italian sausage links, 2 of these. Stew meat, ground beef, chicken, which we're gonna actually be making this for lunch. I'm gonna be making some chicken patties and nuggets for my baby girl. Chicken wings, hash browns. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love me a good hash brown. Hawaiian buns, brioche bun, the naan bread, muffins, protein granola bars. I picked these up because I need some type of snack instead of eating my husband's muffins. So I wanted to pick up something that was high in protein. Hopefully I like it, hopefully. Pizza sauce, some Italian breadcrumbs, picked up 2 of these, and then some beef broth. I also picked up a case of poppies, but I put it in the fridge, but as y'all can see. Also picked up this orange juice, and then I have lemonade in the refrigerator. So y'all let me know how much y'all think we spent, if we went over, if we went under. I'm gonna give y'all like 5 seconds, okay? So we actually spent $125, but it's okay. Like, it's still a strict program, but $5 over is not bad. So I'm not mad at it. Like, we could do $5 over. Anything after that is like, all right, you're doing too much. Pretty excited for this week. I kind of want to make things a little bit different because I find that I am getting a little bit bored with the food, just a little bit. I want some hash browns. I wanted to make, like I said, I'm making chicken sandwiches for lunch today. I didn't really switch too much of the meats up because we always could make it differently, and then my daughter, she likes what she likes. But I don't know, I'm finding that like I want to try new things, like the things I like I love mozzarella sticks, but I'm not trying to eat mozzarella sticks because they're very high in, you know, grease, oil, cholesterol, all of those things. So I'm trying to find healthier ways to do it, like whether if I have to make it myself, whether if I have to air fry it, bake it. So those are going to be some alternatives that I need to keep in mind. I did not go to the gym today. Your girl's on her cycle, and it's really bad, actually. My stomach so bloated, my back hurts. I'm just going through a whole lot right now, so I'm just not doing that. But to be back in the gym on Monday. This weekend I'm just gonna relax as much as I can. And yeah, I'm gonna try and get ready for Monday with the meal prepping and all that other stuff. So yeah, it is 3:30 and the day is literally already over. But I did make some lunch, which is like in between. It's kind of late for lunch, but yeah. So it's 3:40, and I told you guys I was gonna make a chicken sandwich with fries because it's Friday. So this is my little Friday cheat meal. So I crispy fried the ground chicken. I made it into a patty, and then I have some sweet potato fries that I put in the air fryer, and some pickles, and my little sauce that I made up. So I have my side of Poppy, the strawberry lemon one. This one is so good. I'm about to go grub with my husband and debrief and watch the last 20 minutes of Love Island, because last night I fell asleep on it, so I need to run it back because yeah, they already stressing me out. But that's what I'm about to go do right now. I had the roughest night My daughter was sleeping in the bed with us. She is a wild sleeper. She literally tap danced on my back all night, and she fussed all night. And today I actually wanted to get up and go to the gym, but I don't think that's happening because I barely got any sleep. I literally just had to get up and just get out the bed. Like, I'm gonna just go lay in the living room, just make me some tea and take a Motrin because I'm still on my cycle and still cramping. I actually wasn't cramping, but with her sleeping wild all last night, it's horrible. And I'm really trying to push past my limits with going to the gym or working out, even when, you know, I have my cycle. But my daughter took me through there last night, okay? I'm so exhausted. Like, literally kept me and my husband up. Now that I'm up, kinda, I'm just gonna go lay on the couch, just pray. Okay, you guys, so update, it is literally 1:15. Like I said, of course I did not make it to the gym because my daughter was daughtering, but it's okay. We're gonna try to go tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday, so let's hope. I just feel like this vlog is just a little chaotic and kind of all over the place, so apologies if it is. But today, for the rest of the day, the goal is to just tidy up a little bit. I don't really think much has to be tidied up, but just tidy up a little bit and just edit all my content. Also shoot some family content with my husband. Right now he's doing homework and my daughter is clinging to him right now, so she don't want nobody else right now, which is fine by me. So the goal is for me to like edit and schedule all my content for this week so that this week I could pretty much just breeze. Like, just, I want to get to that point. Like, I don't like missing too many days of, you know, not posting and stuff, because it makes me get too comfortable and then I'll start to get like really gappy. Like, I'll post here and then I'll post a week later or 2 weeks and 3 weeks. So I'm trying not to do that, but I have so much content, whether it's B-roll, short form, that I could actually post and like resurface it for my Nyla at night and stuff like that. So I definitely need to do that. Yeah, baby girl. Yeah, so I definitely need to do that, and I need to make sure all of that is done. Our room is a bit of a mess. Like, I'm about to just tidy up this room real quick. They're playing There's No Babies Being Harmed in this video. Okay, we just had some lunch. I had made some, well, I made some yesterday. I had made some like a beef pasta. It kind of looks like beef stroganoff, but it's not, but it tastes really good. And that's what we just had for lunch. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna tidy up a little bit, shoot some content, and do that for the day. I don't want to do nothing later. Like, I don't want to do nothing later because I just want to watch Love Island and go to bed. Like, I want to be already showered. I want to be already like fed or eating during the time, and I want to just go to bed right after. But I'm trying to make sure everything is done. We did take baby girl outside earlier. She needed a nap, and I still feel like she's tired now. But yeah, we're gonna see. We just gonna see where the day goes. Again, apologies if this vlog is just like all over the place, but y'all be wanting real and uncut vlog vibes, and I don't have an aesthetic life, so I'm just a stay-at-home mom and wife, and I'm just picking up the camera. So hope that y'all enjoying. Look, I see myself on the TV. Like, this is me. I just posted this video today, but obviously the video will be up already. So if y'all haven't already, make sure y'all go watch that video, because The makeup eats. The conversation was tea. Baby girl, her Mickey Mouse. Huh? Hi. What you waiting for? Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Remember when I told y'all in my last vlog that my daughter's closet needs serious help? Let me just show y'all. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. So I need to literally remove all of this because this is actually still 3 to 6, I believe. Yeah, no, we still have some 0 to 3, some 3 to 6. Now, realistically, she fits 6 to 9 and 9 to 12, but she's actually petite, so she can still fit 3 to 6. But I just let her wear like some of this stuff like in the house, but I really wanted to give it away to, you know, a girl mom because she hasn't really worn this stuff. She only wore it like once or a few times. And this bag right here is actually a bag full of like newborn clothes, but I have not found a girl mommy to give it away to. So maybe I'll do a giveaway on my Nyla at Night TikTok, or if you're a girl who needs, if you're a pregnant mama or you expect someone, let me know in the comment section. But yeah, it's just like the whole thing here, it's not giving. It's a lot going on. And I have like her clothes mixed together, and this dresser is just a hot mess. Like, look at this. Like, y'all, please not too much because this is not me. Usually I do not do this, but this looks crazy. And it's because this fabric dresser is horrible and we have not gotten her a new dresser yet. So like folding her clothes and stuff, child, I've been all over the place. Her clothes is clean, but then I'm rewashing them. Diapers is here. Like, honestly, the closet is trifling. And right now, being that we didn't get the dresser yet, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna sit and separate her clothes, what she's no longer wearing, take the stuff off the hangers, because this is actually like insane. Y'all, look at my belly cast. Like, Mama, what's the matter? I miss when she was in my belly. Even though I feel like it's low-key slanted, but I was sitting down when it was made. So I was actually supposed to decorate this, but I never did. But it's not too late, but let's get back to the program. So here is a closet update. So first things first, I know I told you guys that I was going to go through the whole process with you guys, but it was a lot and it actually took a while. So I'm just going to show y'all the finished product. Finally have all her summer clothes out, so she could fit everything from like 6 to 9 and like 9 to 12. Even if there's stuff that's too big, we have it in the back, but this is all the stuff that she could fit. All her pajamas and t-shirts in this drawer here. So this drawer, I actually took it from my vanity and I figured why not just make use of it. I have 2 of them, but decided to just use this for her stuff. Like the first drawer is like her socks and like washcloths. The second drawer is like her t-shirts here. She has like white t-shirts, long sleeves. This is more like long sleeve stuff. And then down here is all of her PJs. So her onesies, whether it's long sleeve, her PJ pants, all of her nightgowns and all that good stuff. Her shoes is up here, her summer shoes. This bag right here, I finally went through everything and got rid of the other dresses. So this bag right here, it's all the 0 to 3, 3 to 6 newborn stuff. We're gonna give this away. I'm gonna figure that out. These are her purses, her blankets is here, some of her blankets. And then I have her sneakers, her all her bibs, and like her headbands is in here, some books. Now I decided to put this in the closet. This was originally in the room, but she kept pulling her books out and everything else, so I figured I'd squeeze it in here. So I got her sunglasses, more of her books, and these are like her first pairs of shoes. I'm gonna actually keep those as, you know, just to go in her little keepsake. Here we have winter slash fall stuff. So I don't know if she's gonna be able to fit this this snowsuit, but we're gonna keep that up there. This is all like winterish kind of fall stuff that I know she'll be able to fit in the upcoming fall. These are her monthly picture outfits. I'm actually keeping those, and then her jewelry, and then my belly cast. I actually need to replace these batteries, but I did not do yet. I keep looking at them, but I need to replace it. That actually took a while to do, but I'm actually glad that it's finally over, right, baby girl? Yeah, so my job is to keep the closet organized and clean. But I'm gonna end out this video. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this realistic mom vlog of mine. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and share. With that being said, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.